In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay Converge using GCash. Paying your internet bill should be quick, clear, and secure, and that's exactly what we'll do together. Before you start, make sure your phone has a stable internet connection, your GCash app is logged in, and your wallet has enough balance to cover the bill and any small convenience fee that may appear. It helps to have your latest Converge statement handy so you can copy the exact amount due, your account number, and the registered account name without guessing. First, open the GCash app. From the home screen, look for the Bills option. This is the section that centralizes partner billers so you can settle payments in just a few taps, without leaving the app or entering any sensitive information outside of the secure form. Once you're in Bills, use the search bar at the top and type Converge. You should see Converge appear as a biller. Tap it to open the payment form. Choosing the correct biller ensures your payment is routed to the right company, so take a moment to confirm the name you're selecting matches Converge. Now fill in the details carefully. Enter the amount exactly as it appears on your Converge bill. Avoid rounding up or down so the system matches your payment correctly. Next, type your Converge account number. This is usually printed prominently on your statement. Enter it exactly as shown, paying attention to all digits. Then enter the account name, which is the name registered with Converge for that account. For best results, match the spelling and formatting on the bill, including any middle initials if they appear. Accuracy matters here. Double-check spelling and numbers to avoid delays or misapplied payments. If you're paying on behalf of someone else, still use the details listed on that account's bill. When everything looks correct, tap Next. GCash will show you a summary screen so you can review all the information one more time. This is your final checkpoint. Confirm the amount, the account number, and the account name. If there's any applicable fee, it will be displayed here and the total will update accordingly. When you're confident everything is accurate, proceed to confirm the payment. Keep your device connected and avoid exiting the app while it processes. You'll see a success message once it goes through. After confirmation, a reference number typically appears and you may receive a notification from GCash. That indicates your payment has been submitted to Converge. Posting times can vary, but payments made through the official Converge biller usually move quickly. And that's it. You opened GCash, went to Bills, searched for Converge, entered the amount, account number, and account name, tapped Next, and confirmed the payment. Follow these steps each billing cycle, and you can stay on top of your Converge bill in just a few taps.